Hi, my name's Christy Prime-Coote. I'm 80 years of age, and I just wanted to make this video to say how pleased I am at the result. And I was recommended to Dr. Singh by a friend who's been coming here for a long time. I suffer from panic attacks. We shopped around and we finally decided to come here, and I was very nervous. But I have to say that it all happened quite quickly, as he had explained to me. My mouth was quite comfortable, no bleeding, I wasn't even uncomfortable. I never took a painkiller, and I'm just very happy and just very relaxed about the whole situation. And when I came here, as I say, I was recommended by a friend, and she said, "Oh, Dr. Singh will look after you." Well, I don't know what that meant really, but when I came I could see. And then they introduced me to the 3D and explained what they were going to do, and not have to dig and make me bleed and, make it a long procedure. I was just delighted. It seemed like A, B, and C, and one fitted in with the other, and it was very quick and very good. I didn't have any bleeding. I ate that night when I went home with a couple of the people I went to, that they couldn't do anything for me, and I wasn't going to be able to enjoy my food again, which I'm a foodie, I like food. So it's wonderful, that the fact that I can now do these things. Definitely, I would recommend Dr. Singh.
I had 14 implants, basically entire mouth, and it come out very well, and I'm very satisfied with the job done. So I tried a couple of companies and doctors, but no one would explain me very well what I need. I just find that what they propose, it was kind of incomplete. So less implants, much more general things that everybody say the same thing. And when I came to Dr. Singh, he just had for me a couple of options and explained me what was better for me. So that convinced me that, yeah, I'm in a good hand. Some of the doctors give me a lower price, but finally I find that it wasn't a solution. They didn't have so much experience, so they talked to me that, "Oh, I want to do this," but when it comes to start it, they said, "Oh, it won't be like I said, it has to be different." Everybody has almost the same price. I search and I see that everybody has almost the same price, but it's important to have the good quality. You will forget about the money. And everything was in here, so I didn't have to go somewhere else for the X-ray or for the CT scan or whatever. Everything was in here, very convenient. I highly recommend Dr. Singh. This time coming in here, it was a pleasure.
I had a cap, first of all. The cap fell off, and then I had a root canal and a cap again, and that fell off. And then I had another root canal, another stunt put into the tooth, and that fell off again. And I finally finished up at Dr. Singh, who finished the procedure in 10 minutes. I shopped around on the internet and I saw computer-guided implants, and I thought to myself that sounds a little better than my wife went through, because my wife had her gum cut open and stitches put in, and she had quite a bit of pain. Part of my research was checking out the very best people in Toronto who could perform an implant. So I came to Dr. Singh, and I was right. It worked perfectly, and it just took less than 10 minutes. Considering what Dr. Singh is suggesting and what my wife went through, I felt that his procedure was superior. As I said, I just couldn't believe that Dr. Singh could remove my old tooth, which had broken off at the gum line, and put in an implant all in 10 minutes and pain-free, no bleeding, no swelling, and I was ready to play tennis immediately after the procedure if I had wanted to. No, I didn't have any pain. Regular dentists recommended to go to 2 or 3 different places, whereas Dr. Singh does everything all at once. It's a convenience. It's not only a convenience, but it's also a reliability because they all know each other. You're not dealing with 3 or 4 different people. My research showed that most of them wanted similar amounts of money. I'm happy with what I had to pay for.
My name is Raj Singh. I'm from the gem of the Caribbean, Barbados. Dr. Singh offered me a couple of solutions. The first solution was to look at the computer-guided implants. Naturally, I could have had it done in other places like Miami, which is closer to Barbados. But when I researched Dr. Singh's technical capability and visited his office and met his team, I was convinced that his inventory of the technology was way ahead of all the other people that I was looking at. In Florida, they have this all-on-4 sort of stuff, and then I saw some videos of how they've been doing implants without the computer-guided method, and it's pretty barbaric. It looks awful. In fact, to go through that, I think I'd prefer to wear dentures. But when I saw the simplicity of the computer-guided method, that convinced me that that was the way to go. He gave me a solution that made me feel comfortable in the eye of the public. And most dentists don't care about that. They just want to get on with their aspect of the job. Whereas Dr. Singh and his team, they kind of work around the personality of the individual person. You get what you pay for. And he is definitely, he would want the best technology available in the world. Fortunately, I was in a position where I could have had any dentist anywhere in the world if I wanted to. I'm very pleased that I did it. I'm pleased I worked with Dr. Singh. And my downtime was very, very limited.